Bell curve now is very old thing actually, frankly speaking. So, but still it is being followed, not a doubt, right? But now we should move forward. That is not something that you can, because it is not mandate ki one of the team member will be at top, two will be at lower level, then other two will be at lowest level, right? So there is, sometime it is there ki all are good performers, right? So and you cannot you discriminate anybody, because that will demotivate them. So that should not be followed. If everybody is performing good, then everybody should be recognized in that manner, and it should not be mandated to follow bell curve for each and every case. So that is the thing. Frankly speaking, the things means there should not be any particular thing ki this is the bell curve and we have to follow that. And so there should not be like that. It should be only and only based on their performance. If they are performing, they should be recognized and they should be rewarded for that. That is the only fact through which employees can be motivated and can perform in the manner that company wants to. Because that is not a long, because many employees got demotivated due to following of that bell curve. So it is of no use actually, if you can see.